How to silence the response when starting a timer, alarm or reminder with 10 seconds on show. A routine is required. If music is playing, there is less interruption than usual. 12 p.m. on show. But if you say the command to a different smart speaker or the app, there will be no interruption of the music at all. Cooking pasta on show. This works on other smart speakers too, but I prefer to use the show as it can display the actions you've asked for. Leave for work at 7. This works because in the routine, the alarm, timer or reminder is being asked to start on a specific speaker, and you can send the response to your phone or tablet where the volume can be muted temporarily. But my preferred option is to have the response played at 1% volume on the dot located in the garage, which is out of earshot of everyone and has a reliable power source and Wi-Fi connection. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching Smart Home Hashtags on YouTube.